In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import contacts, companies, deals, and tickets on HubSpot. This is a crucial process if you're managing a lot of data and looking to streamline how you organize it on HubSpot's powerful CRM platform. So let's walk through these steps together to ensure you're set up for success. First, you'll want to open up HubSpot in your browser. If you're already a user, simply log into your account. If not, you can head over to their website and create an account to get started. Once you've logged in, the next thing you'll do is navigate to HubSpot CRM. This is where all the magic happens. The CRM serves as your main hub for managing customer relationships, so knowing your way around it is essential. After that, you'll need to click on Contacts. This option is usually located towards the top of your dashboard. Here, you'll manage all your individual points of contact, and it's essential to keep this section organized and up to date. Now, once you're inside the Contacts section, look for the option to Add Contacts. Click on that and you'll see various options. For this video, we are focusing on importing data, so you'll want to click on Import. This will lead you through to their import tool, where you can bring all your contacts, companies, deals, and tickets into HubSpot in bulk, saving you heaps of time compared to manual entry. Next, you should see the option to import data. Click on that. It's an intuitive interface that guides you through bringing in different types of data. Look for the button that says Start Import and click on it. As you proceed, you'll see options for importing different types of objects. Since you're bringing in contacts, deals, and tickets, select that specific option. Contacts, deals, and tickets. This ensures all the necessary data gets categorized correctly. Then, when you're ready, click Next. This step is crucial as it prepares the platform to receive your data. Once you're set, you need to upload the files containing your data. Make sure your files are correctly formatted and saved, ideally as a CSV or Excel file, to upload them seamlessly. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts. HubSpot's interface does an excellent job of guiding you step by step through the import process. You'll be asked to map the data from your file to the appropriate HubSpot fields, which helps in correctly categorizing everything you import. Pay close attention here, because proper mapping ensures the accuracy of your data. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll successfully import all your contacts, companies, deals, and tickets into HubSpot. This process simplifies managing your customer relationships and streamlines your data keeping within HubSpot's CRM system. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below.